and welcome to the Minecraft family channel. This is Tyra. Today I have another unboxing of a huge diamond painting. It's a 226 times 90 centimeter. I think it's the biggest one that I have in my collection. So this is the painting and this is the drill area. So you don't drill as far as I can see the background and the water. But let's try and dig into it and see if I can open it. Yes, I could. I hope you're all doing well. We are. It's Sunday here, so we are just finishing up shopping and all of these very nice things that we need to do. So prepared for next week, and yeah. So let's try and sip it out without trying to make too much of an mess of it. So here we have the giant enormous canvas, and then we have an enormous amount of drills. I can see a lot of ABs, and there's some special ones on it also. So let's take those out, and then we have the package with two drill trays, two pens and some wax and some clips, and then you have a carrying bag and a storage bag, and the storage bag can come in really handy if you need to storage when you work on it. But let's first take a look into this enormous canvas, which is going to take a decade to do, I think. Oh, it's huge. Oh, and then oh god. Let's see if we can put it out here on my dining table. So let's see. Yeah. So now you're coming with me down into one end here. So down here you have, I don't know, there's so much shine on it. Just hang on. So I am back. I hope that took off most of the glare, but I don't think it did. So, but down here we have a cottage. There's a lamppost here. There's a fence. And I don't know, what is this called? An area where you can sit outside. A big house here, and here you've got foreground. There's a pathway and a lot of greenery, and then you have the big house and some trees. It looks like it's in the middle of the autumn, and here you have some different flowers, and it's also all the water is also drilled. So the only thing which isn't drilled is only the background in the top. So it's really a lot of which is going to be drilled. So we've got a bridge over the water, and then we come out to the other side where we here have two people standing, and there's a small cottage down here, and here we have a big amount of trees and a small flowers, and yeah, a road. So yeah, huge one. My husband just looked at it. So yeah, I'm just going to fold this back together, and then we can take a look at all of the drills. So I just took you out of the sun and the glare from it and into my office, where we can just look at all of the drills. There's a lot of them in it. I didn't even count the colors, but I think there must be a lot, just judging from the amount of drills here. So I will say there's probably around 60 colors. I've never had issues with this company. They've never shorted me colors or anything. I have run out once, I think, and that was because I placed them the wrong place. So that's just me who misread some symbols. Otherwise, they're really high quality. So I'm just sorting them into, and then we can just count them, and I can show you all of the drills. So I think if I have all of the special drills and the AB drills, and let's just see. So we have regular 310s and some brown ones, some greens in different shades for all of the trees and the bushes and so on. A lot of green, different shades. Light one here, and then we've got some blue ones for the water here and here, and then we have a lot of brown for all the trees as well here, and for the stones, and there's some gray probably for also for the house and so on. And here. And then we have some yellow and orange ones here. Let's just put those down here. And then last, oh, have you seen this color, this red one? Isn't that beautiful? That's really dark burgundy red. And then we have all these beautiful shades of pinks and red and purple. Should we just count them quickly, just the ordinary ones? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 normal colors. Then we've got all the ABs. Let's just have a look at those. Here we have a yellow one. Beautiful. A lot of green ones. 3 bags of special ABs. Orange one, beige one, and again another type of orange. Oh, a beautiful red one, a purple one, and lately lastly a white one. So 1, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 56. So there's 8 AB diamond colors in it and 46 ordinary colors in the painting as a whole. And then we have these flowers where you put on for the roses. There's a pink one, a red one, and then there's these small purple ones where there's a flower inside. They look like a bit of a Lego flower. So yeah, definitely going to be a fun project. One of the huge ones. I think I'm going to, after we come home from Croatia, I'm going to kit one of the big ones up. I just need to decide which one to do. Perhaps I should let you decide them. So if I take in a video 3 or 4 of them, we can decide together which one we want to see done. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun, as much fun as I did. I'm the crazy woman with all the huge paintings. So, but it's just fun, and I'm looking forward to doing them, and I think that I'm going to have plenty for my lifetime. It's probably going to be so sick of diamond painting when I've done all of those that I'm never going to touch it again. But on the other hand, I'm going to be 90 when I'm finished, so that's okay. So I hope you had fun, and comment below, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I do a bit of unboxing, a bit of cross stitching, I do all sorts of things. So welcome on board, and hope you have fun. See you in my next video. Bye for now.